Streetlight constellations, empty passenger seat, hands at 10 and 2.
I've waited for this moment to stand here and say I love you.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm bringing you a powerful new AI-powered music video generator tool. With this tool, you can easily turn your music into a stunning story-driven video. Not only that, you can create impressive singing videos with different characters and even transform your tracks into dynamic dance videos. On top of that, this tool also allows you to generate high-quality sound and music effortlessly. Sounds amazing, right? The name of this tool is Beat Viz AI. You can visit its official website through the link provided in the description. Now let's dive in step by step, explore its features, and discover its full potential together. Getting started. Once you open the website, you will see an interface like this. To get started, click on the Start for Free button on the right-hand side and sign up using any of your Google accounts. After completing the sign-up process, you'll be able to use it for free. Creating a music video. Simple mode. Now to create a music video, click on the Create button on the right side. A new interface will open in front of you. Upload music. The first step is to upload your music by clicking on the Add Music button. Here you'll find two options. You can upload a local file from your device, or if you have a Suno music link, you can paste a Suno link. I'll upload my music file here, which I previously generated using BeatViz. Adjust duration. After uploading the song, you can adjust its duration according to the length of the video you want to create. I'll set it to 1 minute and then click on the Continue button. Describe. Next, in the Describe section, you can describe the type of video you want to create. This step is optional. Content mode. In Content mode, you can select the type of content you want to create. Since I'm making a story-based video, I'll select Storytelling. Settings. There are a few additional settings available, such as Generation mode. I'll choose Standard mode. And then set the video quality to 1080p. Presets. In the preset option, you can add your preferred character and style. Since I haven't generated any character yet, I'll skip this step. Generate. Finally, click on the Generate Video button. Refining the video. The video creation process will begin. First, the BeatViz AI agent will analyze your music and generate a creative direction for your video. As you can see, 3 creative directions are ready. Based on my music, I'll select the first direction as it fits perfectly. Next, the AI agent will create an output structure for the visuals. After reviewing the storyboard, it will automatically divide the video into multiple segments. As you can see, 8 different segments have been prepared for this video. By clicking on Generate All Video Segments, you can convert these segments into full video clips. You can also click the Edit button to regenerate any segment if needed. Everything looks perfect to me, so I'll click on Generate All Video Segments. Within a few minutes, all the video segments will be ready. As you can see, all 8 segments have been successfully generated. You can use the Edit button to regenerate any specific segment, or click the Download button to download them. Now let me play the full video for you.
Past and future on the glass in front of her. Every turn feels almost brand new. Every mile, she's almost sure that this quiet little night could save her. Tire steady on the painted line. Neon review getting
As you can see, the results are absolutely impressive. Each segment is consistent, making it a powerful and cohesive music video. Alright, now let's move on to the next part, where we'll try Beat Viz AI's custom mode. Before that, I'll click on What's the difference? To explain the difference between simple mode and custom mode. Beat Viz AI Simple Mode. Quick and effortless. Perfect for beginners and anyone looking for fast video creation. Simply upload your music and let the AI handle the rest. One-click AI generation with automatically generated prompts, fully compatible with both desktop and mobile devices. Rapid video creation, receive your finished video within minutes. Beat Viz AI Custom Mode. Complete creative control. Designed for creators who want full control over every aspect of their music video production. Advanced timeline editing with precise adjustments. Ability to customize prompts for each individual scene. Professional-grade tools for advanced creators. Desktop only. So let's try this as well. Once you're back on the dashboard, click on Custom Mode. After that, to create a video, the first step is to enter your project name. I'll name this project Lily. Next, you need to add your music, just like we did earlier. You can either upload your own music file or provide a Suno link. Here, I'll upload a music file that I previously generated using BeatViz. After the file is uploaded, click on the Start Creating button. Now you'll see an interface like this. From here, you can also generate images for your video using top-tier AI models such as Nano Banana Pro, and Seedream. However, I'll show you how to create a video using a simple prompt without adding any images. Click on the video icon, then describe the type of video you want to create. I'll write, 3 girls performing a dance on stage. Next, select the video model. I'll choose WAN 2.6, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and adjust the quality to 1080p. I'll also enable the multi-shots option so the video includes different cinematic angles. Finally, click on the Generate button. Within a few moments, your video will be ready. As you can see, the video has been generated. Let me play it for you.
In the spotlight's glare we stand, got the whole world in our hand. Every move a perfect line, watch us dominate and shine. We're the...
As you can see, it's an impressive, high-quality video with ultra-realistic visuals. Absolutely perfect. Now let's move on to music video generation, where I'll show you how to create a singing video using images. Go to the Music Video Generator section. First, describe the type of video you want. I'll write a simple sentence. A young lady singing on the stage. Next, upload your first image for the first frame. I'll use this image here. For the second frame, I'll upload another image. After uploading both images, I'll keep all other settings the same and only set the quality to 1080p. Then, click on the Generate button. After a short wait, the video will be ready. The video has now been generated. Let me play it for you.
We're never gonna stop, so let me hear you scream.
As you can see, the video looks very realistic. The audio is perfectly synchronized, the visuals are sharp, and the overall quality is outstanding. Alright, now you can also use BeatViz to create videos like this. That's it for today's video. If you need any help with video creation or have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. I'll make sure to reply to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving tutorials on amazing AI tools. I'll see you in the next video.